welcome back to a brand new video, and we're going to go around Newcastle, show you the updates of Newcastle. And just in the Crossheath area, the first vape shop is here, totally wicked, and DK Motorcycles is here on the right. But yeah, we're heading into Newcastle on foot, and got the Royal Air Force careers over there. So if you're interested in a career in the Royal Air Force, that's your place to go. So, yeah, and we've also got HSL Your Chair Specialists over on the other side, and you can see the guys here just mowing the grass verges in the middle. A lovely day today, Thursday the 20th of March 2025 as we record this. It's looking a bit tatty in there. This building's actually for sale. 137 Liverpool Road, trade counter with stores plus industrial investment to rear. And that was the old Swift house, actually. It was. And I think that's gone as well, that one there. Evolving Care. The shutters are down on that one. Spice and Grill. The shutters are going on that one as well. A Caprino's, that's open, but it's open later on at night. That one. And we've also got Pizza Hut as well. Don't see many Pizza Huts these days. And round here there's loads of pizza places as well. And look at that there. It's a bit dangerous, that is, for anybody, never mind the disabled. That's what they're for. So yeah, the old Pizza Hut. So you don't see many of them these days. With all these other fast food places rising up, the Pizza Huts are they're struggling, aren't they? But got KFC coming up as well. So lots of food places down here, and I've come across a fair few people on motorbikes today as well. Just had one go past there. As I say, it's a glorious day today for March, and these houses here are looking a bit tired, aren't they? They've been up for some time, these ones, haven't they? As you can see. We'll just poke our heads down this road here, just show you what this road's like. This is Hassam Avenue, and yeah, look at them. Been up for some time, haven't they, these ones? So gravy dipping double buckets, £11.99. And as I say, it's one of these things where you look back at these videos and you look at these prices and how much things are, and yeah, I wonder what they'll be in 20 years time. Who knows? And also down here we've got Papa John's, UKMealClub.com, and Crossheath News, the news agency here at Crossheath. But this is Roberts Avenue down here. Just poke his heads down there. Yeah. Another place, another area. The houses have been up for quite a while. And these ones here especially have on the other side of the road. They don't make them like that these days, do they? And big windows in the bedrooms. It's quite busy today on the A34, and here you got the Newcastle Greenway, which you can go down. Just can't really see anything, man. Yeah, it's busy today, and we've got National Tyres and Auto Care, and across the road over there we've got Mr. Tyre. So if you need a tyre, you have to come round here. And also got JD Gyms, which I can hear the music from here, blasting out from there. So yeah. So this is Ashfield's new road. Some like football pitches and a racetrack around there. I'll have to go down there at some point. Have a look at that properly. But, here we've got the cotton mill coming up. So yeah, this is the cotton mill and the Sainsbury's as well. I don't think the Sainsbury's has been here all that long. So I think it's quite a new built Sainsbury's, this one. And you can see in the distance over there, we've got Newcastle College. But yeah, this is the cotton mill, and it's empty at the minute. Not one car here. Sainsbury's is busy. And on the Sainsbury's, I don't know if it's a 2-hour stay or a 3-hour. I'll find out for you now. I think it's 3 hours, so I'll let you know. Yeah, the Sainsbury's here is a 3-hour stay with a car. And could hear Sirens before. It's kicking off in Newcastle somewhere. And just had some idiot playing music out of his car, so I had to cut that bit out of the video, which is a shame. But that's the entrance to Sainsbury's. And yeah, got Argos inside this one as well. TU and Habitat and sandwich and snacking. But yeah, this is a Holborn Place, this building here. It's like apartments. Yeah, Holborn Place is run by Spire, so it's a block of apartments, that is. We're just coming into Newcastle now, and we'll go down the subway on up the other end into Newcastle. Got the North Staffordshire Justice Centre, it's just still there, and the brand new Castle car park, which has got its signage up now. It didn't have its signage last time we come round here. It's all in use now, and we'll have a look what's going on with the old car park, the Medway car park and the Rycroft car park as well. So yeah, I'm sure that wasn't fully built last time we come round here, and you got some other little dwellings down there. But we'll head on into Newcastle. So yeah, Newcastle under Lyme was the second best place to come to before Hanley years ago. So we'll have a little gander what it's like now. So yeah, got artwork all around the subway down here, and yeah, as you can see, got people, students coming from the college. So yeah, I don't like to be down here at night. There's all sorts going on at night down here. Druggies, alcohol, unsocial behaviour. all sorts. Yeah, got the jug there. So just had a makeover. Got the police here doing something. I don't know what they're doing. But yeah, another drawing on the wall there as well. So yeah, it looks like this is the jug, and it looks like the police are there, the Salvation Army. It's like they've had some kind of potential break-in, perhaps, I don't know. But, yeah, as I say, there's all sorts of things going on in here, and yeah, bit of a mess, isn't it? And just outside the Jumbo, up there, there's somebody homeless up there. There's always somebody around there homeless at night. But, this is Bridge Street Ale House that we're walking past, and this is the rear hire street car park, which is permit holders only, apparently. And hoping we can get this way, so to just come up to a different area that I've not been up before. But I have to walk back down the hill. And that guttering up there's crap, isn't it? Leaking out everywhere. But, lovely view of the church here. So we can get this way. This is the Kiel student rooms, and it'll just bring us up to the top of the hill where the jug was, and somebody's dumped a can of Monster. Yeah, the concrete structure's still here. This used to be the old market, the indoor market in Newcastle. But it's still here as it was a couple of months ago, and there's no real change really. So I've been told that they're not knocking all this bit down. They're keeping the steel structure in place, and they're going to refurb all the inside into shops and potentially apartments above. So yeah, the initial plan was that they were knocking the whole lot down, but now they're going to keep this steel structure in place. So that's interesting. Got the bull's head down here. So the town centre looks pretty much the same. This one's empty here, but there's no real change. There's lots of people wandering about, and yeah, it's quite busy for Thursday here in Newcastle. And I'm gonna go get myself a bite to eat myself, I think. And got Yates's bar. Halifax is still here. Don't know if that one's going. And John Pass. And yeah, I'll head on down here. What a lovely flower beds here, which is good to see. Yeah, I've got this section down here, and this little place here, Oscars. Never knew this was here. It sells alcohol. Yeah, I was just speaking to somebody there, and Oscars is open. So Oscars is still going, and this is the old iron market here. So yeah, this is a reflex of the one at Hanley, which shut down due to the fire that was next door. Got Georgian Dragon. They're doing something there with that one, and all sorts of little cafe places and that, and nail bars down here, and the Wetherspoons is just down here as well. Yeah, so this is the Arnold Machin, which is the the Wetherspoons here in Newcastle. So this is the Victoria statue, Victoria the First. Died at Osborne, 22nd January 1901. Wonder what she'd think of life, what it is like now. And got a castle house here in the background. Yeah, this area is known as the Queen Gardens. Yeah, this is another subway. It's nice to see that, I think these are going to be apartments, but it's nice to see they're actually getting towards completion now. It's been empty for ages, this building. I think they must have run out of money or something. But, seems like it's on its way now. Well, it does say this is the way to the Jubilee Baths, so I'm not sure if this building is the Jubilee Baths. We'll find out. So yeah, now it's known as Jubilee number 2. Used to be the Jubilee Baths many years ago, apparently. So this building's just like it's like an empty building. This one. I think it was an old gym at some point. Looking back on Google Maps. But, yeah. Can't really see inside, there's nothing to see really, just empty. And this one's the same, it's just empty inside, right next to the other one. So, yeah, we've got Patty's World here. Not sure, looks like it sells some burgers or something, this one. But, looks like it's shut at the minute. There's Patty's. This is known as Barracks Road Retail Park as well. And we've got HSS Hire and Howarth Timber Building Supplies. We've also got Domino's here as well. And this was the site where the old pub was, the Jolly Potter's pub. They've put these blue boards up now. We'll go for a poke through with just a loud motorbike just gone past. So we'll have a look, see what they're doing, if anything's going on. So, as you can see, they've just put the boards up. So now we've got the bus station over there on the right, Slug and Lettuce, and primary school here on the left. Come past here previously. This is the barracks. Workshops. And we've got a blue plaque up there, built in 1855 till 1880, the headquarters of the local battalion. 3rd King's Own Staff Rifle Regiment and of the Fire Brigade. 2006 this blue plaque was put, and it's a historic building, it says there, on that blue plaque up there. So yeah, this one's been here for some time. Got some more police officers up there. Not sure what's going on with the wiring on these houses. Head on down through the subway, cross into Morrison's, and that way if you know the area. And we'll find out what's going on with that other car park, the Midway. Bit of crap around here on Barracks Road. #1 London Road. Just a block of apartments down there. But, it's a bit grotty. To do with a good scrub, I think. But there's another big building I want to show you down here as well. And that's this building here. The Holy Trinity Catholic Church. It's in like a black brick effect. It's amazing. Doesn't say how old this one is, but I'd have to do some digging and try and find out. But, yeah. So as I say, that's the Holy Trinity Catholic Church here in Newcastle under Lyme. And we'll just go down here, down the subway again. And there's loads of these subways in Newcastle. It saves you having to try and cross the road. There's no lights, no traffic lights around this area. Well, there's not many anyway, because of all these subways. As you notice in the subway, you've got cameras. That's just for protection of people. And yeah, you never know what people are getting up to at night, so have these cameras to protect people, I suppose. So yeah, that's the subway there, and you get people sleeping homeless in these subways as well from time to time. To just come out to the Morrisons here on Goose Street car park. So just coming past the View Cinema, and we've got Sirens again. It's kicking off in Newcastle. So we're just by the Midway car park, and yeah, this one's not looking as nice as Subway. Yeah, look at all these buttercups. Yeah, so they're not knocking the car park down here, the old car park. They're actually just changing the structure and making apartments and above it. Because the problem they've got is they've got these shops below, so the shops are going to remain here, and this old car park's going to become apartments. So it's all going to be set to be changed. Now apparently the work's already started, but I can't see anything happening yet. We'll just go around the other side and have a look around the other side, see if we can find any action going on. But yeah, I can't see any change just yet. So yeah, I don't like there's any action going on at all. They haven't started anything yet by the looks of it. But it's a bit weird in this old car park now. Now it's empty, and no one can go in now. Just hear the traffic on the other side of the road going past. Yeah, it's a bit dodgy now. And yeah, you can't get in here because it's all fenced off. But yeah, still got the light on over there. As you can see, they've taken the old where you've got to pay is now gone, and they've taken that down. But there's a light on still down there, and see where the birds have been here. But yeah, it's now shut. It's been shut for a while, a couple of months now, this one. But yeah, got CCTV in action. I'm sure that's still on. But it's all gone. And I'll just take you up here, because I never really got the chance to look at it close. So yeah, it's a bit dark down here now. Wonder what it's like at the upper sections. Interesting, wouldn't it? make a great video. So this looks like it was the old office potentially here. Don't know. I hear birds flapping around under here. I say it's probably amazing to go up now, and it's empty. So, yeah, that's the old Midway car park. So yeah, I heard on the radio that they were starting to do the business on this, but yeah, not yet. They aren't. See anything there? Not view. Just a little bit, can't we? Yeah. Have you parked on the Midway car park? Potentially you have. And we've come back round to St Giles Church here, and the Roebuck Shopping Centre, which is that shopping centre that's not got many shops inside it. They've all gone. But yeah, I was speaking to somebody before, and they said that Newcastle's safer than Hanley. But unfortunately, there's just no shops around here other than the barbers and vape shops. Somebody left a bag there. So yeah, but yeah, this hasn't changed much around this area either, has it? Since we were last here. CLF site services security. Yeah. And looks like they're still doing that one up there. They've taken the old wooden windows out, and yeah, just left it there. But St Giles Church is there. It's looking brilliant in the sunshine, that one, with the daffodils around it as well. So there you go. We'll go up the hill here and have a look what's happening on the other car park. And we've just been up here to go round again, because it's all everywhere in Newcastle, really. Yeah, we'll head on up here. This one looks like it's been empty for ages. Look at all that crap everywhere, and they're doing the inside in that one. So yeah, this used to be another car park here, and can't quite see through this fencing, but yeah, that's all going to be houses eventually. And this is the Newcastle car park, the new one. They spent over £11 million, and was it worth it? Not so sure. This is Corporation Street, when many of these car parks are now getting sold off for housing, and Newcastle are building more. Yeah, but all in all, Newcastle hasn't changed much, so we're going to leave this video there. And if you have liked the video, please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. So bye for me, and goodbye.